Hello viewers, welcome to Crafty Noons. Today's video is specially for kids. They would surely like to decorate their homes with self-made Diwali decors. For all the DIYs I am using colorful paper and Fevicol. My daughter helped me off screen in making bandanwas. As this video is specially made for kids, my daughter is going to give the description of videos. So enjoy watching the video.
First DIY is Kandil Bandanwar. For that, we will cut 3 small circles around 5 cm diameter. Fold them in half. Paste on black strip as you can watch in the video. Strip size is 10 by 2 cm. Cut the flowers of glitter sheet with craft punching machine. You can either use mirrors. Paste them on both sides. Now take a thick thread or wool to make the bandanwar and paste the kandil as I am doing. Use vibrant bright colors to make bandanwar. Cute colorful bandanwar is ready. Now let's move to the next DIY bandanwar. Cut the strips of colorful A4 sheet. Fold them in half. For one ball, we need 4 such strips. Stick them all together from center. Paste them again, forming a ball as you can watch on screen. Use less Fevicol if using thin paper. Paste the punching flowers on the ball. Put them all into a thread or wool. You can use fairy lights along with these bandanwars. This bandanwar will surely add color and charm to your home. Now, let's move to our last DIY, Diya Decor. For this, we will cut 6 equal size circles. First, fold them in half and then again in half. Put a bit glue and paste them as you can watch in the video. Do the same with all. Now, paste them together in the same way using the glue at the same place. You can put them for a while under a heavy book or something else so they paste together properly. Till then, prepare the flame for diya from glitter sheet and colored paper. Paste the last fold of folded circles to the first one to make a round shape which give it a diya look. Place the flame onto diya and our diyas are ready. We can decorate them as it is on the table or on the floor, or we can make a bundanwar by pasting them with tape on ribbon or wool. Wow! How beautiful these sparkling diyas are!
I hope you enjoyed all the DIY bandanwars with my daughter. Please comment in the section below. Do like, share and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching. Be crafty. Bye bye.